In this video, let's talk about how to use the SoFi member discounts program. Welcome back everyone to this new guide video. Now, in order to use this feature or this program within the SoFi platform, all you want to do is head over to the mobile app and simply head over to the membership and the reward section, which you would be able to find within the dashboard. So either using the mobile app or the online portal of SoFi. And within your dashboard, you should be able to see the option called membership or benefits. And once you simply head over to it, from there you can first of all view your eligibility tier. So in order to view your tier of eligibility, you'll be able to see the option called membership status, and this information beneath it is the exact tier that you have. So the tiers range anywhere from the standard members to the SoFi Plus premium tier. So depending upon what you have, you'll be able to check your tier first of all. Once you're done that, the second thing that you can do is browse the available partner discounts. So you'll be able to see different discount program that is available from different sort of partners within this section. So either on the benefits or the reward section, you can simply head over to it, as well as you would be able to activate any sort of promotional rates on financial products such as the mortgage closing credit as well as the student loan refinancing. So this is the exact steps that you can follow in order to use the SoFi membership discounts program. If this video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.